What's up, guys? It's raining outside.
Look how rainy it is.
That is a lot of rain.
Yeah, I'm in it too. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
we are planning on making an outside video today.
But yeah, it's not gonna happen today.
Nope.
Maybe
It's been raining all day, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can even hear it, guys. Two little guineas.
Cute little guinea pigs.
Why are they so cute?
You in here? Yep.
Yeah,
You in here too?
Yeah. They are in there.
Got the hiccups. Well, I just wanted to make a video and show you that it was raining.
Yeah, that's what sucks about the outside road. Everything rains.
Yeah, it's literally raining every day. That's why we can't film outside videos.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay happy.